Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and you all are preparing for your term 1 examination. The term 1 examinations are very close. So, from today I will be making you do revision. We will be doing revision right from lesson number 1. Okay. So, I will start with MCQ question from first flight, lesson 1.1, a letter to God. Okay. So, let us continue. You see, the first question, where was Lencho's house situated? The options are A, bottom of the hill, B, top of a hill, C, top of a plateau, number D, in a city. Yes, you come. Choose the right option. Yes. Yes, he is absolutely right. Top of a hill is absolutely correct. I have taught you that there was only one house located there, and that was at the top of a hill. Okay. And that was Lencho's house only. It was only one in the valley. Okay. Now I will move on to the next question. Question 2. What was the only thing that the earth needed according to Lencho? लेंचो के अनुसार एक ही चीज चाहिए था पृथ्वी को, क्या चाहिए था? द ऑप्शंस आर अ शावर, अ स्नोफॉल, सी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स, डी सनलाइट. यस, यू से, यू कम. Yes, a shower is absolutely right. We have read in the lesson that Lencho was very thoughtful and he was feeling very happy seeing his crop of corn, and at the same time he was expecting a shower. So our shower, option A, is absolutely right. Okay. Number 3, where did Lencho expect the downpour to come from? A, north, B, northeast, C, northwest, D, southeast. Don't say please. किसी को भी बुला सकते हैं. Be ready. Yes, I think northeast is absolutely right. You all agree? Yes, Lencho was expecting downpour come from the northeast, because in the northeast he could see huge clouds. Okay. He could see clouds in the northeast, and he was expecting rain from northeast direction only. Okay. So, option B, northeast, is absolutely right. Question 4. What did Lencho compare the large raindrops with? Lencho ने बड़े बड़े raindrops को क्या चीज के साथ कंपेयर किया? A, silver coins, B, pearls, C, diamonds, D, new coins. देखो बेटा, सोच समझ के आंसर देना. A, silver coins, B, pearls, C, diamonds, D, new coins. Yes, you come. Dua. Do you all agree? Yes. The answer is absolutely right. Okay. ठीक है? So, the Lencho compared the large raindrops with new coins. Okay. Large raindrops को new coins से वो कंपेयर किया था. ऐसा लगता है कि सिल्वर कॉइन्स भी हो सकता है. हाँ, मन में ऐसा भी दिमाग में जाता है सिल्वर कॉइन्स. हाँ, ओके, यू चेक इट. दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, न्यू कॉइन्स. Question number 4. Sorry, question number 5. Question number 5. Which crop was growing on Lencho's fields? कौन सा क्रॉप उग रहा था उसके खेत में? corn, barley, rice, none of the above. एक इधर से एक इधर से, बीच वाले से भी होगा। यस, डू यू ऑल एग्री? ए कॉर्न इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट, क्योंकि हम लोग मेज के बारे में पढ़े थे। कॉर्न, ही वॉज लुकिंग एट हिज फील्ड ऑफ राइप कॉर्न्स। दिस थिंग वी हैव सीन इन द स्टोरी एंड आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड टू यू। So it was, the crop was basically corn. Okay, so this is absolutely right. Number 6, what destroyed Lencho's fields? What destroyed Lencho's fields? Number A, heavy rainfall. Number B, hailstorm. Number C, landslide. Number D, flood. Okay. Hailstorm is absolutely right. Okay. Well, hailstorm actually destroyed Lencho's fields. Heavy rainfall was not so dangerous. Okay. But the heavy rainfall was accompanied with hailstorm. So hailstorm was only responsible for the destruction of Lencho's fields. Clear? Question number 7. The field looked as if it were covered in dash, salt, locust, sugar, ice. तुम आया था? आ जाओ। Hey, don't say. Do you all agree? Okay, because ice is also very similar to that, but salt is the correct answer. So he is absolutely right. The field looked as if it were covered in salt. Clear? Now question number 8. Lencho compared the quantum of damage, जो उसका क्षति हुई थी, ठीक है, quantum of damage, he compared with A, attacks by rats, attack by cockroach, plague of locust, none of them. Quantum is quantity. हाँ, किससे कंपेयर किया था? हम सीरियली बुलाएंगे। यस, तुम आओ प्लीज। Plague of locust is absolutely right. He said, a plague of locust would not have done so much damage than these hailstorms. He has commented in the story. So, plague of locust is absolutely right. He has compared his damage with plague of locusts. Question number 9. What was the only hope left in the hearts of Lencho's family? What was the only hope left in the hearts of Lencho's family? क्या होप था, क्या आशा बचा हुआ था उसके, हाँ, लेंचो के परिवार के दिल में? A, compensation from government. B, help from farmers association. C, help from God. D, there was no hope left. Okay. Sonu Kumar. Hey, just keep quiet. Only hope left in the hearts of Lencho's family was the help from God only. Okay, because government or farmers association couldn't help him. So he just wanted to seek the help of God. So C is absolutely right. Option C is absolutely right. Okay. Now I will move on to the next slide. How did Lencho decide to contact his last resort? लेंचो अपना अंतिम बार, जो लास्ट रिसोर्ट, उसके पास और कुछ नहीं बचा था, किस प्रकार कांटेक्ट करना चाहा? हाँ, अंतिम मन में अंतिम बार वो क्या उपाय सोचा? ठीक है, ठीक है। B is the right answer, absolutely right. He had unwavering faith in God. इसीलिए पैसा देखकर वो चौंका नहीं, उसका विश्वास इतना था भगवान में, भगवान पे इतना भरोसा था कि वो कभी सोच ही नहीं सकता था कि भगवान उसकी मदद नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. हाउ डिड ही फील व्हेन ही काउंटेड द मनी? जब इस पैसे को गिना, काउंट किया, तो वो कैसा महसूस किया? ए ग्रेटफुल, जॉयफुल, सी रिलीव, डी एंग्री. ओके, यस. उसके बाद कौन बचा है? आ जाओ. हाउ डिड ही फील व्हेन ही काउंटेड द मनी? Angry is absolutely right. Okay, when he counted the money, he was not joyful, he was not grateful, he was not relieved, but the money was less. That's why he felt angry. Okay. Question number 21. What did Lencho think of the post office employees? Option A, bunch of crooks. B, rude. Number C, unhelpful. D, proud. Okay, so next you come. Bunch of crooks is absolutely right. Bunch of crooks. He thought the post office employees to be cheats. He thought that they had taken the rest of his money. Okay, so option A is absolutely correct. What did Lencho ask for in his second letter? दूसरे लेटर में लेंचो ने क्या मांगा? हाँ, A, more money, remaining amount and not send it by mail. C, remaining amount and send it by mail only. He didn't ask for anything. Okay. Yes, you come. Yes, you are absolutely right. Option B is correct because he asked for the remaining amount and not send it by mail, because he thought the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. Okay. What is the irony in this lesson? क्या irony है? Okay. Lencho was sad after the hailstorm, even though he was the one waiting for a shower. Postmaster laughed at Lencho but still helped arrange money for him. See, Lencho blamed the post office employees who in fact helped him. There is no irony. Irony क्या है? कौन बच गया है? Yes. Come. You had come, no? Then you come. What is the irony in this lesson? Irony is related to theme. Okay. Absolutely wrong. One more chance I will give. Who can give the right answer? Yes. Shubham, come. This is also wrong. Okay, I will give you the right answer. I won't give any chances. C is the right answer. The irony in this lesson is that Lencho blamed the post office employees who in fact helped him. He never knew that the post office employees helped him. So this is the irony. Okay. I will tell you. Let me finish this. Question number 24. What type of conflict does the chapter highlight? किस प्रकार conflict की बात करता है? Conflict किस प्रकार conflict की बात करता है? तुम आए हो ना? The options are A. Conflict between nature and humans. B. Conflict among humans. C. Conflict among God and nature. D. Both 1 and 2. So we let last you come. Yes, he is absolutely right. Both 1 and 2, A and B are correct. The type of conflict as the chapter highlight conflict between nature and humans and conflict among humans. Humans वो लोग भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, संघर्ष कर रहे थे, ठीक है, वो लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे थे, संघर्ष कर रहे थे, कन्फ्लिक्शन हो रहा था, क्योंकि और एक प्रकार का कन्फ्लिक्शन क्या बोलते हैं, हमारा कंट्रोल नेचर पे नहीं है, मैन डजंट हैव कंट्रोल ओवर नेचर, ओके, सो नेचर कैन डू एनीथिंग, नेचर कैन हार्म एनीथिंग एनीबडी, ओके, और डिसहार्म एनीबडी, ओके, और देयर इज ऑल्सो कन्फ्लिक्ट अमंग ह्यूमन बींग्स ऑल्सो, ओके. So now the last question is there. Who is the author of the lesson related to God? Aditya. Hey, don't help. Yes, G.L. Fuentes is the author of the lesson related to God. He is absolutely right. Okay, I agree with him. So we have ultimately come to the end of this MCQ questions. So you have practiced 25 MCQ questions, okay, more and more MCQ questions I will be giving you practice in the next class, in the coming classes, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.